Yesterday, you brought confidential records regarding your leads, correct?
Tama po.
Did you bring those records again today?
Nandirito po.
Nandun.
Sa akin ba yung po?
And are these records from the Special Task Force?
Iba-iba po, halo-halo na po.
Halo-halo na. All right. And you mentioned that you cannot share these records to the public. Is that the case?
Tama po, binanggit ko po kahapon.
All right. Now, if the Honorable Court issues a subpoena, will you comply?
Pag-aaralan po natin kung naayon sa batas, ay beti nating ipagbigay alam po sa impeachment court na ito.
Alright, don't you believe that ang katotohanan ay hindi confidential?
Meron po tayong proseso na sinusunod. Kung ito man ay totoo at ito'y magbabiolate po sa batas, baka hindi po natin dapat itong gawin.
Dapat hindi payagan, no?
Hindi dapat payagan. I think sa linya po ng inyong
Objection,
katanungan.
Your Honor. The question is already argumentative.
I'll just move on to a new point.